Hey YouTube, what's up? How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a good day. If not, go out and find yourself and make yourself have a good day. So anyway, first of all, I want to say, if you guys don't know, I am now a sponsored teammate through Ken FPV. Thank you guys so much over there to Ken FPV, and I look forward to having fun with you guys. So guys, check them out, www.kenframes.com, link in the description down below. So they got some good stuff going on over there. You can pick up your frames, comes with some TPU already on it, your camera mount. You can't go wrong with that. So okay, check them out. Thank you guys so much. So anyway, what we have here in front of us is we have some frames, and then we have a drone. So you guys noticed, I shared a couple videos, not many. I try to keep it, fair for not sharing people's stuff that, when we go into like the businesses for the client's sake and all, because of comments and stuff. So I kind of don't show much of that. But anyway, I've been running this guy here. It's been fair. I can't complain. It's kind of busted up. Kind of had some boo-boos with it. So we got that. We got this wobbling. So I did the hair show one with this, and we had some wobbles. So we kind of got down to where we know that this is old school. So this stuff here, the wind pushes you. You kind of get all this going on and that stuff. So anyway, we're done with this frame. We're going to move on to this guy. Now this is the Beta FPV Pavo 30. I haven't opened this up yet, so it looks like it's going to be really cool. So this here is going to be freestyle / Sena whooping, and I'm not more into it for the freestyle. It's got the HD cam if you want to use the Pro, if you're going to use the Nano. This is the one with the carbon fiber structure frame. You got it without. You can get it without. So yeah, this is going to be real fun. So that's what we're going to transfer pretty much everything out of this into this. Between this guy and then this guy, we're going to use the parts out of, and we're going to build this one as well. And this is the Beta FPV 95X V3. You guys remember I had the V1, I think it was, a V2 or something. So anyway, wanted to get into the V3. Jim runs this, Sinister, you guys know that. So I liked it when I had it before, just had some components I couldn't get right in. So now I know where I'm at, so I'm gonna take all this here between this and this, and we're gonna make two good tools. They're gonna be pushers versus ducks, inductrix or whatever you want to call it. This is a pusher. This is a quad mover inspired print. I like what he's got going on here. I just don't like how the motors, it needs bigger motors. So I could put screws on there with washers. We're not going to do all that. We're going to go ahead and we're going to transform it into something worth flying. Because when you go into these places, businesses, you have to be on point. You cannot be off key. So anyway, with all that said, we have this guy sitting here in front of us. You guys are probably wondering what this is. This is the GEP RC Cinelog 25. Now I'm gonna tell you guys something. I've been working with Moses and Ethan, and Moses had got this thing, and he's like, I'm telling you guys, this is it. This is the tool that we need. And I was like, well, I got my stuff, and I got my stuff going on. But I'm gonna be honest with you, he was on point. So you see, it's still brand new in the package. Just got it in today, and yeah. So Moses insisted that I picked one of these up. So yeah. So we went ahead and did that. Thank you, Moses. I appreciate you. I really do, for you showing me what this guy's about. And here's the 95. If you see, look, it's very pretty much the same. That's exactly what I was thinking. So hey, nothing wrong if you have a flat tire, you pull out the other one, right? So this guy here is HD setup. I mean, it's got some bits and pieces in the box. Got a Mortal T because I'll be running Crossfire. It's got the Naked Hero for your mount there. That's the plan for it. So we're going to put a Naked Hero 8 on this. If you guys see the bowling alley preview, I use this exact quad. Not this exact one, but the exact one of this. and we used the Instago 2 camera. I think we've all come to a agreement that the Hero 8 or Hero 10 naked is going to be the route. And I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to make it naked, because as you can see, you see that front right there? GoPro says they're sending these out to us brand new. Well, they're actually refurbed from what I'm thinking, because that shouldn't be that loose, that front cover. So I'm going to take advantage of that. I watched my buddy Chris Miller. If you guys watch, go check out Chris Miller's channel. He nakeded the Hero 9, what I'm recording with you guys with right now. Chris, your cojones, man. 9's a nice camera, but he ripped it apart and he made the naked one, so he's the boss, man. I'm gonna do an 8. I'm gonna stay on the porch. I'm not that into it to do my 9 yet. So yeah, it's got a crack here on the back of the screen. Went in, turned all the settings on. There's settings that you have to do, so pay attention when you do that. You can get your kit off of Amazon for $28.99. iFlight. I'll just leave it at that. Comes with the backboard, the TPU printed, you know, case and all that whatnot. I could buy the backboard and print my own thing, but you know. Anyway, that's our plan. We're gonna be running a naked Hero 8 on this guy here, and the Beta 95 XV3 and the Beta FPV Pavo 30. So I pretty much have what I got going on there as far as the Cinequad things, and then you guys will see we have some changes coming. We're going to be swapping up some frames. I run the Apex Vividly. We're going to probably be putting this guy on the shelf for a little bit. Like I said, I'm sponsored by Ken FPV. We did a 1-year contract, so I'm ready to run that carbon frames and have fun with Derek and Rebecca. That's right. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.